Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to log out of your Facebook account. In order to log out of your Facebook account, first thing first, make sure that your application is completely up to date. If not, head over to your Play Store and then update your application. Once the application is updated, click the open button and then log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, it's going to take you to the home page, and right on this page, to log out of the particular account or to log out of the particular device, tap the tab bar icon from the top right hand side, scroll down right to the bottom, go to logout and tap the logout button if you're sure about logging out. As soon as you do that, you'll be logged out of your Facebook account, and to log in back, sometimes you might be asked to provide in your credential, or if your login info is saved, all you have to do is just tap on the profile and then you'll be logged into your Facebook account. So that's basically how you can log out of your Facebook account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.